Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
No, but no, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
But what is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?
Hi guys. Hi. I'm so sorry to ambush you. My name is Lisa, right? I've got a YouTube channel. I go around asking couples questions. Is it okay if I ask you guys a couple of questions?
Sure.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
All right. Name?
Juicy.
Juicy.
Yes.
All right. And
Not all.
how long have you guys been together?
Almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years. Still going strong? Still going strong?
Yeah.
Too much.
Too much.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But sangithi yazi ukuthi izinto vele kuma relationships akuhlali straight outside.
Yeah.
But we gotta wait to find.
Yeah. But that roller coaster has nothing to do with cheating, does it?
Nah.
We don't cheat.
Oh, we don't cheat.
We don't cheat.
How do you know?
Ngiyamthemba.
Really?
Ngiyamthemba.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
10 out of 10.
You?
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Hectic. Okay. All right. But have you checked each other's phones though, ever?
Mara.
No.
Whoa.
So let's come this side. Uh-huh.
As long as you notice together.
Kodwa ifoni angithi hayi kuyashiwo vele ukuthi privacy yomuntu angithi. So nje ifoni yakhe angithinti nami akayithinti so.
But you guys share other things. You guys share juices. You guys share saliva. What's a phone? You guys share much more deep things than a cell phone.
But even if umuntu ujodana, there are some things angamela yazi about wena ngisho.
Yeah.
What?
Personal things.
Serious,
Okumele wena
yeah.
umtshene ukuthi baby yazi kuyenzeka ukuthi not ukuthi wena usifangile
out because
Yeah.
manje uyayidraga le information.
Kuthiwa find out ile.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Color for you.
And uhlezi wazi ukuthi into mayifuna
Uzoyifumana.
uzoyithola.
Okay. You know what I always say about people like that say that they know there's something wrong, but they just don't want to find it.
Something wrong.
Yeah. How can you say, like, if you are in a relationship, ne? If you are looking for something, you'll find it. It means you know there's something wrong, but you just don't want to find it.
I also believe that if ufuna check if on your montako, that means
Team.
because if umthemba, you
But
know
has
that.
but has that person earned the respect? I mean, the trust. If you didn't check their phone, you don't know what he's doing when you're not
Actions speak louder than words, babe. So
around. You don't know what he's doing when you're not around.
I trust my man.
Do you know what she's doing when you're not around?
Ngiyamthemba kakhulu futhi because ngisanokuthi ngimskype video call nani ngimcheck each and every time mangekho for isikhathi eside.
I think prove yourselves. I think let's switch phones.
Yeah, no problem.
No
Baby,
problem.
are you sure?
Yeah, why not?
Why not?
Mara
Angisho uyambona nje ugela ukuthi unenkinga ufuna ukusibona ukuthi kahle kahle siyajolelana nawo.
So you guys need to prove a point.
I think mele size ne-solution ukuthi siyenze lento le
Any solution?
because mina ngicabanga ukuthi vele kahle kahle ukuthi angicabangi statement vele simile kanje ukuthi phone privacy yomuntu because nawe kwamanje nje angeke uthani mangangena through ifone yakho without ukuthi imvumo yakho so I think kuzoba right
Oh my gosh, the 100-page essay you are writing right now, so we don't check your phone. What's in that phone? One essay. What's in your phone? What are you hiding in your phone?
I'm not hiding anything.
Because phela baningi nje.
Babe angithembi.
I do trust you, but angisho wena akakuthembi.
Okay, yazi ngiyenzela wena lento le.
Yeah, I know.
Kodwa uhlezi wazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda.
Yo. When's the
guess.
vows? Why are you thinking wedding vows? What's wrong?
No, ukuthi nje ukuthi like njengoba bese ngisho ukuthi into moyifuna uzoyithola. I'm not cheating.
You're cheating.
No.
You are definitely cheating.
No.
Must I start with yours?
Yeah.
All right. You don't have a password.
Okay.
Okay. Please stand on my left, please, sir. Juicia. Thank you. All right. Okay. WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay. Go to the top and type I love you. All right. That's you.
Me. Okay.
Oh wow. Okay.
Okay.
Delete. Type I miss you.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah,
again.
me. Then I'm a friends wakhe la amantombazana. Yeah.
You know them.
Yeah, ngiyabazi. Sanokuthi nje sishaye nje amadina sonke.
Okay. Delete.
Okay.
Type pregnant.
Ayikho. Akuna next.
Hey girl, behaved, nah? Okay, delete type morning after. Morning after poll.
Vusi.
Ay, kesana. All right, delete. Type babe. What does she call you? Tano-sam, what does she call you?
Thanda ungibiza ngobabe.
Oh, okay, yeah, type that.
Okay.
Oh, you again. Oh, girl. Boring. Okay.
Yapora.
Why is she loyal?
Uyangithanda nje.
Oh, cute. Okay, delete.
Okay.
Type thank you. Let's just see who's doing her favors.
Why would
Yeah.
Nixie.
Okay. Okay. I think she looks clean. That's you, Musa.
Yeah, Iblo.
And I don't see guys.
Yeah, there are no guys.
Yo. Right. Do you have Instagram or Facebook?
I do have Facebook.
Okay. So let's go to her Facebook.
To her Facebook.
Yeah. We'll go through her inbox.
Can I?
All right. So just scroll. If you see a man or anything weird, we go in the chat.
No. I think we're just gonna la.
Okay, go in.
Okay. Cousin Nike. Yeah, cousin Nike.
Okay.
Cousin Nike.
Hi, girl. Congra.
Yes.
Can I have the other one, Musa? Do you have a password?
Yeah, I do.
Just for the record, I already don't know you're cheating. Me
Why are you
personally,
saying that?
Me personally, I already know you're cheating.
Why are you saying that?
But prove me wrong. I've been doing this job for a long time.
But like, I'm cheat.
Okay.
And we are.
Okay. Okay.
Can I?
Right. All right. What's up now? Okay. Type I love you. It's too soon for this. You're not cheating? You?
Baby ngachaza.
Okay.
Lama chat ongena kuwo manje.
How do you know which chats? How do you know?
Ukuthi like ngiyabona ebusweni bakhe kubhaliwe ukuthi ungene because obviously the first thing azoba ngene. Ungene WhatsApp.
What's the name of Wabona Don? And what's the name of the girl we saw?
Yakhuluma le ntombazana besikhuluma ngayo.
Yiphi intombazana?
Le yalapha emsebenzini.
Yenzeni?
Like beloku busy flat nami nakhona kusinto eziserious. Kusinto eziserious.
I love you. Because nguwe lo I love you usendo wena.
Itsingpe. Oh, Beyachota nosibulelo umngani wami baby.
Yena lo girl lo futhi osebenza naye sekachitha nosibulelo.
Bengicabanga ukuthi ngene kulo.
Oh shithi baningi.
Oh, there's another one.
No, abekho baningi lo mina engikhuluma ngaye manje ukuthi umuntu wasemsebenzini.
Okay, asimiyeke ke lo. What about lo?
Is it the work one?
Karabo baby.
Kunini? Why lo Karabo lo khavela?
Angithembi baby.
Why lo Karabo?
Angithembi.
What is Karabo, guys?
uKarabo umuntu wasestradeni.
And kwafona lo Karabo yaze ebusuku angitshena ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo sestradeni bekafuna i-direction. Ufuna kanjani direction umuntu ebusuku?
Ah. So Karabo knows about her.
Yeah, uyamazi because angithi sihlala estradeni siyo1.
Because I know that Karabo, I know her. And that time samba nami wangibona.
Kodwa baby ngakutshela ngoKarabo ukuthi akenzeke next nje.
Ama number wakhe wathi
But why? I love you. Ufuna ntoni ke?
and nguye abhalele yena.
Yes.
Why
If
when
there's
nothing
nothing
happening?
happening.
Baby ngibonisa ikhe kulomuntu. Ngibonisa ikhe.
So when ubonisa ikhe kimi
injengoba umama
I love you.
njengoba umama wakhe ashonile.
Hey.
So ngibonisa ikhe again.
Yeah.
Nami ngibonisa ikhe ke kushuthi.
Wena baby uyazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda
For 2 years.
Cela nje ukuthi ungangibaby nje.
Let's call Karabo.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Asimfanele vele.
Yeah.
Shuthi baby angithembi.
Why? Why would she?
Ngizokuthemba kanjani ukukhona uKarabo
Wa shuthi angithembi.
Ngizokuthemba kanjani ukukhona
Mara sisinawo ayimele uqizelele le ndaba ukuthi manje singene.
Ngicela umfanele siswami lo Karabo.
Wayimele manje siqizelele.
Ngicela umfanele
Because you're
lo
lying
Karabo.
and you're cheating.
Wena
I'm not
unamanga,
lying.
unamanga
Baby,
inkinga
ngithemba.
yakho. And kunini ngikuthemba wena lokhu uthi ngicongithemba. You are
Karabo.
breaking my trust.
uKarabo
Kunini?
yenzakala next kimi noKarabo.
Umbhalele I love you, that's the problem.
Ngicela sime kancane tu.
Okay, simile.
Ngicela sime kancane. Ngichaze again ukuthi uKarabo yini. uKarabo baby like umuntu like ongifunayo yabo. Kodwa nje angeke azalithole lelo thuba.
Wamsondelo I love you wena.
Baby now like asikhuluma iqiniso. Asikhuluma iqiniso. Yawazi lamantombazana ukuthi kanjani. Ayathanda ukuthi azilahlele kumina kodwa nje.
Wazilahlela nawe.
Angizilahleli.
Mara ngowamsondelo I love you.
Angimini nokuyimina lento lena. Baby.
Yazi mina uyangicina ngongangibambi, ngongangibambi.
Ngongithembe ke.
Ngicela ungangibambi.
Ngongithembe kungcono.
Futhi yazi ukuthi ngiyachika ngekhaya wena ungiyazi kahle.
Manje angishiya.
Ngiyakushiya vele.
Uyangishiya.
Oh, let me call Karabo. Hello? Unjani? Ngiyaphila ngikhuluma noba. Khuluma nobani?
Wena uma
Nginoxolo.
ngiyaqoqa wena ufuna ukuthi ba
Ngifuna uKarabo.
ufuna uKarabo yawu
Okay, ngikokubuza sisujola noba. Ujola noba. Uba umuntu wakho.
abantu amfuna nje ntweni
Ngifuna umuntu wakho.
ufuna umuntu wami
Yeah, ngifuna ukwazi umuntu wakho nje. Kune misunderstanding engayi-understand. Hello.
Hello.
Uyamazi uJuicy?
ubani
uJuicy.
ngiyamazi umuntu wami wayi
Umuntu wakho. Athi yena awusiyi umuntu wakhe uzilahlela kuyena.
Qiniso nje baby.
Ngicela ukukhuluma nomuntu wakho khona nizozwa kahle ukuthi uyena uthini.
Hello.
Sithanda sami yamphiyo wena
Amfethu kodwa ngiphika uyazi nawe ukuthi nje akenzakala next kimi yini inkinga yakho.
So ungamfosi ukuthi athi akwenzakani next, ungamfosi.
Why wenza kanje mfethu? Why wenza kanje? Why manje nolizwe?
Akhulume kanti yini inkinga yakho wena?
Akisho wena yamphiyo telefoni yami
Ngiyakuphika.
ngithi akisho yamphiyo wena telefoni yami ngithengele yona
So ngithengele ifoni futhi.
Yo, and wena ngikubuza ukuthi le phone lo iphathayo uyithenge kanjani ungasebenzi wathini wena?
Baby emsebenzini lo msebenzi ngicela ngawo
umsebenzi mawuthola manje wena.
Ama night shift
Ama
nje.
night shift kanjani?
Ukhumbula ukuthi ama night shift ayabhadala mfethu wena uyenza kanjani into enje? Why wenza into enje mfethu?
Kahle wena uyi gold digger wena, uyi gold digger. We gold digger.
Uvumelana naye. Uvumelana naye.
And lo muntu lo mina ngimthengela izimpahla. Ngisacrifice imali yami nginika abazali bami ngithengele wena izimpahla and khona bakuthengela
So they're all
amafoni.
taking care of you.
so nawe ngithengele impahla mina ngithengele ifoni
Nawe musukuhleka utshola nendoda yabantu.
wayi nje mara
Nawe musukuhleka utshola nendoda yabantu. Wayi inkinga yakho.
wayi
Nalo
nje
muntu asijuli. Nale phone
Thula wena,
nale phone
thula wena,
engiphethe.
gold digger. Thula. How? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, ngithi mina okay fine sengimtholile ke ukuthi utshela nomuntu wakho qhubeka nayo yazi ngiyakushiya mina ngikunika ispace. Ngiyakushiya vele. Ngiyakushiya.
Ungayenzi.
Ngithathe. Niya enjoy ngisho ngithi
Ukhuluma ngani?
Suka lapha eceleni kwami. Suka la
Ungayenzi
eceleni kwami.
lento leyo.
Mina ngiyakushiya she migiyela ifoni yakho.
Kodwa phela ngithanda kanje.
Karabo, are you gonna stay with him? You're also dumping him.
Ungiyeke wena. Ungaphinde ungifone. Uyapi kimi?
Awusamfuni now.
Susa lo muntu kimi bona ngifuni. Futhi ngifuna impahla zami. Ngifuna impahla zami angiyazi kahle wena.
Okay.
Ngizosithatha phela mina ngizosithatha. And chocolate le ngakuthengela yona ngeValentine ungiyazi kahle wena ungiyazi kahle. Uthanda ba?
Kodwa nami ngakenzela izinto owenza kanje.
Wayenzani wena?
Ngakenzela izinto owenza kanje.
Ngifuna impahla zami. How?
Uyangishiya.
Bafana bazosigoldika la singadlala abantu egol. Ngifuna impahla zami.
Uyangishiya. What happened to our promises?
Hey, what promise?
What happened to our promises?
You broke that promise. Ngifuna impahla zami.
Nje ngomuntu ngokarabo. Ngokarabo nje.
Karabo said it's over, ne? On this side as well.
Ukarabo vela nginandaba naye because ayikho into enzakala kimi mina nokarabo. Mfethu
Anginandaba
ngiyacela.
na. Thatha lezi
Ngicela sikhulume ngalento. Ngicela sikhulume ngalento.
And give Karabo back her phone, ne? Because it's over there as well.
Hayi ukarabo angeke ngihlangane naye angimazi.
Sorry, no, ne? Do you have your phone?
Yeah, I have my phone.
Right. Sorry to ruin your day, guys.
And thanks for making my day good because bengithi ngiyakuyo le yanjaliya. Bengithi ngiyakuyo. Bengithi ngizospenda a whole night with you. But wena uzongiyenza lento le. Hamba man.
I think go home, ne?
Hamba.
When are you Renaiza, what are you gonna do?
Hayi ngizobuyela kena.
You're gonna ask for a thingy forgiveness.
Hayi uyangithanda lo muntu angishiye nje kanje.
Oh,
Serious.
you trust yourself?
Ngiyamthanda.
Is that why you cheated?
Hayi ukuthi ngichithe ukuthi nje izinto ezenzeka kimi mina nokarabo into zama one night stand and ngimthembisile ukuthi angatsheli abantu ngale.
Yeah.
So uyazi ukuthi amantombazana kanjani umthinta kayi1 kayi2.
Oh, so Karabo wanted more.
Yeah, so
Okay.
kodwa nje ngizobuyela ke.
All right, okay. Good luck.
Yeah, Imbi man. All right, CMTV viewers, that is it from me. My name is Lisa Sirami. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirami_. See you later. Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami. Don't be yase Bebecha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo Ma. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but nengani.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke bale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?